Tired of stacking $20 a month tools you barely open? Here are 10 free GitHub repos that quietly replace the SaaS bills eating your runway. DocuSign, Calendly, Mixpanel, Figma, Airtable, Vercel, Firebase, even Google Photos. In 2026, a lot of the best software is not for sale. It is open source. Count down from 10. Each one includes the catch, so you do not get blindsided. Number 10. Documenso, open source e-sign, self-host contracts with no per envelope tax. Catch, you still need a mail provider and a domain that looks legit to signers. Number 9. Cal.com, own your booking links and white label scheduling without Calendly seats. Catch, calendar sync and video integrations take a weekend to harden. Number 8. PostHog, product analytics, funnels, and session replay on your own box. Catch, storage grows fast if you keep full session replay forever. Number 7. Penpot, collaborative UI design that replaces Figma without locking files in someone else's cloud. Catch, the plugin ecosystem is thinner than Figma's. Number 6. NocoDB, turn any SQL database into an Airtable-style workspace you control. Catch, complex permission models still need real database discipline. Number 5. Coolify, push to deploy on your own VPS like a mini Vercel. Catch, you own the uptime, certificates, and the 2 a.m. restart. Number 4. Excalidraw, hand-drawn whiteboards that replace Miro and stay yours. Catch, real-time multiplayer needs a backend if you leave the free static mode. Number 3. Supabase, auth, storage, and real-time on Postgres, the open Firebase path. Catch, you must learn Postgres well, because the database is the product. Number 2. N8N, node workflow automation that replaces Zapier so data stays in your network. Catch, ops ownership, pin versions and backup workflows. Number 1. Immich, a private photo cloud that replaces Google Photos with full-race backups and machine learning search on hardware you own. Catch, buy disks before you dump a decade of memories on a single drive. Lightning round, plausible for analytics, AppFlowy for Notion, ListMonk for email, Dub for short links, Alama for local language models. Same pattern, clone, host, own. Brutal reality, self-hosting is not free. You own updates, backups, security, and outages. Budget hours, not just dollars. Still buy SaaS when team time costs more than the subscription. Clone the stack when you want ownership. Kill the invoices you do not need. Subscribe for the next open source deep dive.